Hi, I'm Lydia.
My name's Amanda Thiston.
My name's Keisha.
My name's Eleanor.
Hi, I'm Katie.
My name is Harvey Dawson.
My name is Francesca Toland.
Hi, my name is Naomi.
I am part of the Nightstop UK team. We do work nationally, but I work most closely with services in the north of the UK, all the way from Birmingham up to the northeast of Scotland.
I'm the business support officer at Gloucestershire Nightstop, and I've been working here for about 6 months.
My role is volunteer recruitment and retention officer, so I look after our wonderful hosts and drivers.
I'm the service manager here at Gloucestershire Nightstop, and I've worked here for just coming up 4 years now.
I'm the volunteer coordinator for Dorset Nightstop, and I volunteered as a host for about 5 years.
I'm the day stop support worker. I work at Gloucestershire Nightstop.
I've been chair, I have worked for Nightstop, I have been a host for Nightstop, and I have also been a donor for Nightstop.
I was very lucky that I grew up in a safe and support environment, but I know not everybody does, and I wanted to see if I could try and make a difference.
I think it's really important to have a safe space.
Without that, a young person can feel very hopeless in their situation. They're likely to feel anxious. They don't know day to day how they're gonna find food, shelter, washing facilities. It can also feel incredibly demeaning and embarrassing to need to rely on others and to be asking support.
If you don't feel settled, then you can't really focus on anything else. So it's the basis of everything, feeling settled.
What does community mean to me? What a big question.
Community means belonging and having a sense of support and kindness around you.
I think community is everything. It's mutual support, it's guidance, it's resource sharing.
You know, it's about how do we work together to produce a society that we want to live in.
Well, the Nightstop team is a really good team of colleagues I work with.
Without community, the Nightstop team would not exist.
Nightstop creates a sense of community by welcoming guests into the homes of volunteers and also offering support through Nightstop staff throughout the stay.
It's nice to see sometimes when we've had Nightstop visitors who are surprised that you're willing to share your home with them if it's the first time they've done it. Maybe it restores their faith in a little bit in people being out there and ready to help them if they need it.
Our volunteers are there for the first day, which could be someone's worst day, and having that sense that just a random person that you don't know is there to help and support you, I think that is what community means there.
Most of the time, community, certainly in Gloucestershire, certainly in the villages, is small groups of people supporting each other. And if you bring a young person into that because they are staying in a night stop, then very often you find the whole village will get behind it and work with it.
It means you're not on your own, and there's always someone to talk to if you have a strong community.
What is your favourite part of being with Nightstop? That is a tricky question because there's loads of things I love about being in Nightstop. But I think it's, at the heart of it, it's the people.
I love the collective effort that we put together to shaping young people's lives and changing futures and taking them off of paths that they could have gone down.
Fantastic bunch of colleagues who are kind, generous, affirming, and a really good team to work with. And together we are doing something good for our community.
The best part for me so far was when we had our annual visit from Nightstop and they came and told us what had happened to some of the people who'd stayed with us during the previous year and how they'd all moved on with their lives. Yeah, that was really nice to hear.
It might not make a difference to a huge group, but it make a difference to 1, 2, 3.
I love speaking to staff members and young people and volunteers and hearing how Nightstop kind of works differently in different regions because they're so regionally focused. They're all about the local community.
It's about supporting those local kids that we have here, the local teenagers. We can help them grow and become effective members of society.
Everyone deserves community and a safe place to stay.
Homelessness isn't just about housing.
It's about mental health, safety and support.
A stable mind starts with a stable place to stay.